Clayton?
Yes.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Well, welcome to Nautilus House.
Thank
Come on
you.
in.
Oh, wow. Okay, so this is the biggest selling feature of the property, would you say?
It's one of them. The view is fantastic here.
I mean, there's a lot, but yeah, that's stunning.
Neat.
And that's the big thing about this property, right? Is that it's right on the water.
Right there.
Okay, so let's talk about the history of this place, because it took you a long time to build, right?
Yes. We bought the property in 2000, and we really started getting serious about 2005. From there, we decided, well, I'm going to design that first group of the village. But we wanted to do it different, too, because each one is really nice gourmet kitchens. And then every one has an outdoor garden space with a private dip pool, which really makes it nice.
Yes, I saw that. That's stunning. So it's part of a big resort, Hermosa Cove. You've got different villas around the resort. You've got the bar, you've got the restaurant.
Yep.
Is that right?
Yep, true.
Okay, so we've got the kitchen, and then we've also got the couch over here. So tell me about the layout.
The layout here is designed for support of the upstairs folks up there, which would be the primary people in this thing. So this is available for them.
Tell me about what kind of experience you can have here.
Virtually, it's a cafeteria style. I mean, you can have whatever you really would like. If you want a private chef coming into your facility to do all the cooking, that's available. If you don't want to be bothered by anybody, just hang a sign out there and we won't bother you. We'll just deliver everything to your doorstep.
So it's choose your own adventure.
Yeah, it is. That's the way it works out here. And there's lots to do outside of where we're at on this property as well.
And one of the things that's fascinating is that you actually created the artwork in this house.
Yes. First thing I built on the property was a 13,000 square foot shop to do all the work.
And so you sell your artwork separate from the artwork that you have in the property?
I do. I sell a lot of it in the office.
Okay, so we've got the shallow water here, which is green turquoise, and then it turns blue. You can feel the breeze. It's just a real island Caribbean experience.
Yes, it is.
So speaking of the water, can we go check it out downstairs?
Yes, we should.
Okay, let's go. Can't beat this.
No, no, you can't.
So tell me about the details on this floor.
The details on this floor are a lot of them are the result of the natural topography that we had to work with. The little swing was my wife's idea, so we put a little wooden platform underneath it to give it some safety there. It just seemed like the natural place to put the little tub.
So ultimately, it's just a really custom experience. It's private, it's isolated, it's relaxing.
I think you've checked off all the boxes.
And thank you for showing me around.
Our pleasure having you. Thank you.
I'm just going to relax for the rest of the day now.
Sounds perfect.